You work hard, get that paycheck deposited, then, poof, it's gone. You might vaguely remember that fancy coffee or new shirt, but where did the rest go? That's where Rocket Money comes in. It's like a financial superhero, swooping in to reveal where your hard-earned cash is actually flowing. But how exactly does Rocket Money work its magic? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the app and take a deep look at its features. First things first, Rocket Money is a budgeting app, but it's more than just a glorified spreadsheet. It connects securely to your bank accounts, giving you a central hub for all your financial info. No more bouncing between different banking apps or websites. You get a clear picture of your income, spending, and that ever-important question, where is your money going? Here's where things get interesting. Rocket Money uses clever tech to automatically categorize your transactions. No more manually sorting through a list. The app figures out if that charge was for groceries, entertainment, or that mysterious subscription service X. It helps you understand your spending habits, highlighting areas where you might be able to cut back or adjust your budget. Speaking of budgets, Rocket Money doesn't just track your spending, it helps you create a plan. Think of it as a personalized roadmap to your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, a new car, or that oh-so-important emergency fund, Rocket Money allows you to set realistic goals and track your progress. But what if you've already subscribed to a bunch of services you barely use? Rocket Money can identify those pesky subscriptions lurking in the shadows, draining your wallet month after month. It makes canceling them a breeze. With a single click you can ditch those unwanted charges and free up some extra cash. Feeling overwhelmed by bills? Don't worry, Rocket Money has your back there too. Their premium service offers bill negotiation. That's right, the app can haggle on your behalf with internet or cable providers, potentially saving you money on your monthly bills. It's like having a personal discount genie in your pocket. Now, let's talk about security. Sharing your financial information can be scary, but Rocket Money uses high-level encryption to keep your data safe. They also offer features like multi-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Of course, Rocket Money isn't magic. It's a tool, and like any tool, it needs to be used effectively. Setting realistic goals, sticking to your budget, and taking advantage of all the features are key to getting the most out of the app. So, is Rocket Money the answer to all your financial woes? Well, it's definitely a powerful tool that can help you take control of your money and achieve your financial goals. Whether the free version or the premium service is right for you depends on your specific needs and budget. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.